Mastering English Idioms. Chance it, Unveiled. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, chance it. Stay tuned to discover how this simple phrase can add a dash of daring to your English conversations. Chance it is an idiomatic expression that means to attempt something risky where the outcome is uncertain. When someone decides to chance it, they are taking a leap of faith, often without complete confidence in success. It's the English language's equivalent of saying, "Let's try and see what happens." While we won't delve into the deep history, it's helpful to know that chance, as a noun, has been associated with luck or fortune since the Middle Ages. As a verb, it means to do something despite the potential risk of failure. So, when you put it together with it, you're essentially saying, "I'm going to try my luck with this." Using chance it is straightforward. It's often used when someone decides to take a risk or proceed with an action, despite not being sure of the outcome. Here are a few examples. I didn't have an umbrella, but I decided to chance it and walk home. Should we try the new sushi place? Let's chance it. Remember, it's all about the context of taking a risk. It's crucial to know when not to use certain idioms. Chance it is informal and usually not appropriate in professional settings. Also, avoid using it in serious situations where taking risks might be unsafe or unwise. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure. We hope this video has shed light on the playful and daring phrase, chance it. Next time you're faced with a risky decision, you'll have the perfect English idiom to express your willingness to take a leap of faith. Keep practicing, and you'll be chancing it with the best of them in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.